This product is called the DIY connector, and what this part does is it allows you to connect your own custom tools to the RGB Critter Flashlight. This part is compatible with all versions of the RGB Critter Flashlight. This part is made of aluminum, and as you can see, it has a nice polished inner surface to reflect the light towards your custom part. Here is an example of how we use the DIY connector in our Saber products. So we mount the DIY connector inside this plastic tube. You can see the inside of the product there. This part has an inner diameter of approximately 19.8 millimeters and an outer diameter of approximately 22.2 millimeters. The length of the part that allows you to connect your custom tools to is approximately 19.7 millimeters. Each DIY connector comes with 2 O-rings. These O-rings can be installed at the base of the DIY connector part. These O-rings help to create a more stable connection between the flashlight and the DIY connector. You might consider using the larger O-ring with your DIY connector if you happen to be using a larger or heavier custom tool with your DIY connector. This will help to create an even stronger connection between the flashlight and the DIY connector.